Now welcome to our assembly. We are going to tell you a story and let you guess what assembly is all about.
Once upon a time, there was a princess.
She loved to read. She loved to play outside with her friends.
She loved school. She loved to ride her horse.
She loved her loyal subjects. She loved her mum and dad, the king and queen.
She was loved by all in turn, for she was smart, brave, honest, and kind. She had everything a little girl could want, and she was happy. That is until the fog came.
It happened slowly, so slowly that nobody really noticed at first.
One by one, the strange dark clouds came to the princess, following her head, gradually gathering all around her head.
As time went on, it got worse and worse. The clouds kept gathering and growing.
Eventually, her whole head was surrounded by a deep, dark fog that she could hardly see out of anymore. But still, nobody noticed. She started to feel completely alone, even when she wasn't.
The fog made the princess feel slow, sad, and tired.
She had trouble concentrating or doing even the simplest things. Suddenly, everything seemed really difficult.
All the things she used to love to do, she suddenly didn't feel like doing anymore.
So she just stopped doing them.
Finally, the king and queen began to see the fog. They wanted to help the princess, but didn't know how.
What should we do? I'm not sure.
They tried to get rid of the fog, but it wouldn't go away.
The king and queen just wanted the princess to be happy, but nothing could stop her from feeling sad. They didn't know what to do, but they kept trying.
One day, a friend from school came to the castle to ask the princess if she wanted to go out and play.
So the toilet didn't want to play? No.
But the princess didn't feel like playing. She didn't feel like doing anything.
The next day, her friend came to the castle again to ask the princess if she wanted to read comics together.
But the princess didn't feel like reading comics. She didn't feel like doing anything.
The day after that, her friend came back again to ask the princess if she wanted to watch some TV together.
There's a new episode of No!
But the princess didn't feel like watching TV. So her friend asked the princess if she wanted to talk.
Do you want to talk?
At first, the princess wasn't sure. She found it difficult and didn't know what to say. But little by little, she began to talk. The princess found that the more she talked about the fog, the better she felt. So they talked and talked and talked. They talked all night, but she still had more to say.
She talked to her other friends. She talked to her parents. She talked to her teacher. And anyone else who would listen. Some just listened, but some had similar things to say. Some of them even had ideas of ways that they could help.
Her teacher told her to go and see the adventurers. who took her exploring in the fresh air and sunshine.
They also helped her set daily challenges for herself. Completing a challenge every day helped her feel healthier and happier.
The king and queen took her to see the castle doctor. They talked about the fog and she brewed up some potions for her to try.
Her friends told her about the 1,000-year-old wise woman. Who told her that fog like this had been seen in the kingdom before. It often followed people who felt sad or lonely or had been treated badly, but sometimes it came for no obvious reason at all. It isn't easy to make the fog go away, but it helps talk about it and do the things that make you feel happy.
The princess had no idea there were so many people in her life who'd be willing to help her, or even just to listen to her when she needed to talk. Suddenly, she didn't feel so alone anymore.
With all the help and support of the people of the kingdom, the fog started to disappear. Bit by bit, just as gradually as it had come.
Things started to go back to normal after that.
Everyone was happy to see the princess back to her old self again. But that is not the end of the story.
Every now and then, the dark clouds would start to come back. But when they did,
She knew where to turn.
Can anyone guess what our assembly is about?
Anyone else? Do you know, wait a minute. I need to sit down and turn around.
I think it's about the princess liking stuff and no.
I have one more guess.
It's about
Okay, thank you for your answers.
The Princess and the Fog is about a young girl who had depression and her strategies for coping with it.
We told this story because on Wednesday, the 10th of October, was Mental Health Day. Some of us wore yellow for awareness of Mental Health Day.
This is the day to show support for better mental health and how to think about our own well-being. Our mental health is just like our physical health. We all have it and we all have to take care of it.
mental health problems affect a quarter of us every year.
Mental well-being is how you are feeling and how well you can cope with daily life. Healthy mental well-being does not mean being happy all the time.
It's normal to feel lots of different emotions.
However, some people often feel stressed, worried, and find it hard to cope with daily life. These people need to have a good mental well-being so that they can enjoy life and achieve all they want. Here are some of our tips for healthy mental well-being.
Try mindfulness. This is being present in the moment and accepting the world around you and how you feel about it.
Learn something new. This can boost your confidence and give you a sense of achievement.
Do something to enjoy. This could be going for a walk, going for a run, or going to the cinema with your friends.
Try relaxation techniques. This is something you enjoy relaxing, such as listening to music, having a warm bath, and colouring.
Talk to people. Tell people what helps you and what to look out for.
Share your worries. If you keep them to yourself,
you won't feel good, and if you show them, someone could try and help you.
Try to look out for your own warning signals. Look out for signs that you're unwell and think about how you're feeling.
Keep a mood diary. This might help you find if there is a pattern to your feelings.
Build your self-esteem. Having a high self-esteem can boost your confidence. Do this by writing down 3 things that you're proud of at the end of the day.
Remember to be physically healthy too. Being physically healthy can help you be mentally healthy. Make sure you eat plenty of healthy food, do plenty of exercise that you enjoy, and get enough sleep.